Hi Ben. I guess the last shoot of this video didn't turn out so good, so we're going to be shooting again, but I'm going to be solving the Leetcode problem, climbing stairs. So it says that we're climbing up a staircase and it takes n steps to reach the top. Each time you can either climb 1 or 2 steps. How many distinct ways, and basically how many combinations of 1 and 2 can you do to sum to like the top, right? So here, if n is 2, then you can either do 1 and 1 or just 2. Okay. For 3, you can either do 1, 1 and 1, 1 and 2, or 2 and 1. So I find it pretty helpful to solve this by like whiteboarding it. So hold on. Okay, with 1, you can see that there's one way. With 2, you can see that there's 1 and 1, or 2 and 1, or I'm sorry, just 2. With 3, you can see 1, 1 and 1, 1 and 2, or 2 and 1. With 4, you can either do 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, or 1, 1, 2, right? So that's one way, two way, or yeah, one way, two way. That's 3 ways. That's 5, 8. So what do we know? What do we know goes in 1, 1, or I'm sorry, in 1, 2, 3, 5, and 8. So that's actually the Fibonacci sequence, the first couple numbers. So I'll prove it. Not mathematically, I'm just going to show you evidence. Not like I'm not doing a real proof. I don't really care enough to do that. It's only Leetcode anyways. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. That's just like how our progression grows, right? So what we're going to do is just program the Fibonacci sequence. And so I like recursion. We need the first input, which is the old one, because the Fibonacci sequence, you get the new number by combining the two older ones. Okay, so old, int new, and int stop. Okay, so if stop is 0, that means that we're at the end, right? So just return the new value. Actually, I'm going to rename this to newer, otherwise it's just going to try and allocate memory on the heap. So otherwise, just return and then just tell it to run the program again. So that's just newer, old plus newer, and then stop minus 1, because that's like one lap that we ran. So now we want to run one less lap. And so for this, we're just going to run Fibonacci, or return Fibonacci newer, or I'm sorry, the first number is 0, the second number is 1, and then n, because we want to run it n times, and that's going to be our stop condition. So after that, we just submit it. Hopefully this doesn't work, or hopefully this does work, but I know that it doesn't because I forgot the semicolon. So we're going to run it again. We're going to zoom out. Is it working? Is it working? I can't even tell. How do I know? Submit. Oh, oopsie daisy. That is helpful. Alright, come on, I'm not paying. Okay. There. Oh, why is my runtime slow? I don't know, try running it again. Sometimes you can get it faster if you just do it again. See, told you, I'm good at this. So, that was the video. Bye bye.